A big thanks to Wagner, who is sponsoring this video. We're going to be using their sprayer because trying to brush and roll this job would be a huge headache. Hey everyone, I'm Russell.
And I'm Lindy. Today we are building a quick and easy recycling center.
And better yet, it's on a budget.
We have this plain Jane carport that already needed a paint job, so we're going to paint this. We are going to add some really functional storage, and we're hopefully not going to spend very much money.
No, we just need an area to catch like bottles, cans, cardboard, plastic, recycling things, and then kind of a sorting area where it goes before it goes out to the truck.
All right, so we're gonna grab some materials and get started.
Yay.
Right away.
Okay. Painting time. For this project, we used Wagner's Control Pro 170 sprayer. It's a high efficiency airless sprayer and it works really good for larger areas. We were able to spray both the primer and the top coat, and everything went on really easy, and this was a huge lifesaver. If you would have had to use a brush and a roller, this would have taken forever with all the little edges and corners to paint through. The nice thing about the Control Pro 170 is it's super easy to clean up, which I also appreciate when using tools. We got the carport painted, and it took a lot more paint than we thought it was going to.
It did. It soaked up the paint.
But after 2 coats of primer and then a coat and a little bit of the top coat, it looks awesome.
Yeah, it's very much refreshed in here. So the big thing we wanted to do in here was start a little bit of a recycling station, since we had one in our old house and we don't have any space for one inside now. And we got some free cabinets.
Yeah, so, and I think the cabinets too, maybe we'll use them for like car cleaning supplies and kind of some outdoor supplies. But yeah, free cabinets are the best kind of cabinets you can get.
So once we had the free cabinets, we figured we could maybe put those on either side, put a countertop over top,
Yeah.
use the cabinets for storage, and use that to kind of contain all the recycling material.
Okay, let's build some bases. So here's what I did. I just made some little L hangers.
Yeah, that looks good.
It is head hitting height, but this corner we're not going to use as much.
Barely for me.
It hits me.
Are you that much taller than me?
You were like, barely for me.
Oh, they look good though.
Yeah, and then the headache rack for like the canoes and kayaks and stuff is on that side.
And then we'll just paint these white?
Yeah, paint them. Got the brackets all painted and installed, and fun fact, this is all salvaged wood, so I didn't pay a dime, and that's my favorite kind of project. Next up, Lindy is off to get some supplies to help organize the space. This is the countertop that we got. The hardware store, this actually was pretty affordable. It was only $200. It only comes in 2 colors when you're looking at these 10-footers that were in the store, and it does have the backsplash, which if you like it, or you don't, but it is there. This one is a tad bit long for what we are using, so we're gonna cut it down. But other than that, this should make a really nice kind of workspace, working area for our recycling center.
Oh, that doesn't work.
I have to put a spacer.
Yep. Unless you never want to open them again.
I could just drop the doors. This is what it would look like. Like it covers the bottom a little bit, but.
Is there a gap at the top? No. So that's fine. Okay, that works.
Just as a reminder, here's what the carport looked like when we started, and here's what it looks like now.
So we're done. We fixed up the carport. We added our little recycling station. We added some other organization. It was a quick, fairly easy, fairly affordable project, but it just makes such a big difference in our lives.
This added some actually really good organization, and not only is it our little recycling station, but it also is storage for car maintenance and car cleaning, which is a bonus.
So now that we've been able to separate and organize all of the car materials, we are ready to tackle the garage, which is our next step.
The total cost of this project was around $350, which I don't think is too bad. The cupboards were free, the countertop was around $200. We did have some extra paint for this area. We did add some paint on top of that just to finish the rest of the carport, but the recycling area, that itself had leftover paint. All the brackets were used from salvaged wood, and we got bins from Canadian Tire for the remaining, however the math works.
And bins from the dollar store for inside the cupboard.
Inside the cupboard. So I mean, I think for the organization it gives and how cleaned up the space looks, I think that's good value.
Agreed. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let us know if you have any kind of recycling station in or outside of your house, or if you would do one now. Let us know in the comments below. As always, hit the bell so you're notified of our next great DIY makeover.
Thanks so much for watching. See, you can have recycling and organization and a car all in one.